good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be using this beautiful kit from Sassy Planner Co. It is called Christmas Prep. You can get it in a full vertical and mini vertical. You can choose your own fashion goal. You can also add add-ons like extra glitter headers and labels, excuse me. Also from her shop, I'm going to be using the trash stickers and also the doodle car stickers. And as always, I will link everything down below. And if you use Eileen 20 from anything in her shop, you will get 25% off and my PR freebie discount. From Brianna Nicole, I'm going to be using her snowflake stickers. From Planner Frenzy, her school stickers. From Sammy Lynn Planning, I'm going to be using her class stickers. And from Plan to Plan, her YouTube stickers. From Illogical Discord, I'm going to be using her day off stickers. I also want to mention that I am planning in my A5 wide, in case I didn't say it. I'm also using the blackout inserts from Plan to Plan. Excuse me, Light Planner Actions. My apologies. I also wanted to use these washi and full box overlays, but it just didn't work out. Anyway guys, I also want to mention that unfortunately I did get a call that I had to take and I forgot to hit forgot to hit play, so you'll see that I kind of go over everything at the last minute and show you guys how everything looks. So as always, I will link everything down below. And that washi is from the bundle from Rose Colored Days. I also try to use a washi that I have from my stash, but I decided against it. So as always, thank you for watching. Alrighty guys, I apologize for that. I got an important phone call that I had to take and then I totally forgot to hit record. So here is how I laid out everything. I used the stickers that I said I was going to use. I just got to add another trash sticker from the kit that I forgot to put. And so yeah, so that's about it. Again, this is called Christmas Prep from Sassy Planner Co. If you use Eileen 20, you'll get 20% off and my PR freebie. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.